Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Vivoactive 3 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a custom step goal on your Garmin Vivoactive 3. So as you can see, mine is 8560, but that's the automatic step goal, so I'm going to go ahead and change that to 10,000. First thing you need to do is go to your phone and open up the Garmin Connect app. Inside the app, go ahead and select the three bars that are in the top left, and then scroll down until you see Garmin Devices. Select that. Once in there, select the Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music, and then once you're in the device, go ahead and select Activity Tracking. So once you get into the Activity Tracking screen, just scroll down until you see Daily Steps. Go ahead and select that. As you can see, it is currently set to auto goal and the toggle is turned to blue. All you need to do is select the toggle, turn it off, and then in the text box, you can type the amount of steps you want in a day. So I'll do 10,000 and I'll select save. Another quick thing, inside the activity tracking, you can also set the goal for your daily floors climbed and then also the weekly intensity minutes. So that's how you select a custom step goal for your Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivoactive 3 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.